Hi, welcome to my course. We'll be looking at how to create SVG graphics in this course. So we'll be looking at how to create 2D scalable vector graphics in HTML with SVG codes in this course. So why SVG? Well, the main importance of SVG is you can create scalable vector graphics, that is 2D scalable vector graphics with them. Since it's scalable, there is no loss of quality at all. So as you know, PNG and JPEG images can lose quality if you increase their size too much, but with SVG, no matter how much you increase the size, it'll stay the same. The quality would stay the same. So that's why SVG is a very good option for graphics. Also, you can use these vector graphics directly inside your websites because you're creating SVG codes in XML format which can easily be used inside your HTML codes. Hence, you can easily use these graphics and easily edit them right inside your website. Also, every element and every attribute of SVG can be completely animated, and therefore this can be easily used inside your web animations, your animation videos, or your web games, and so on and so forth. So we'll be looking at a lot of concepts in this particular SVG lesson. So I'll list a couple of them and I'll show you some examples of what we'll be creating in each of those modules so you get an idea of how this course is designed. So we're going to be creating rectangles that look like these. Also, we're going to be creating circles like these. Also, you can create and design text just like this. So you have a treat inside the course. You'll be creating a lot of awesome things and you'll be learning a lot. So what are you waiting for? Go ahead and enroll now and learn how to create awesome 2D graphics with SVG for your websites. So I'll see you inside. Thank you and welcome.